Hi everybody, Jig Time Gal. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing the third installment of the 7-part series of making the agenda boards for the 7 days of the week. So this is Wednesday. We have not decided fully yet if we're going to do Waste Not Wednesday or if we're going to do Wondrous Wednesday, but we do have the board made. It is blue, and we got the blue holographic print. It's got like little, I don't know, like circles with little lines in it, and then we have the glitter edging. So I thought it would be fitting, since I have a ton of seashells, that we would do a seashell theme on this. And I'm just going to put Wednesday on the end of it in letters and leave a space here for what it's going to be, Waste Not or Wondrous. And we'll put that in later after the fact that we find out what it's going to be for sure or not. So we'll just go ahead and do it up and leave a space. So I have a ton of shells laid out in front of me here. I thought we'd do like a U shape on the bottom and up the sides a little bit with the seashells. And then maybe if there's room, put some cotton balls up at the top for clouds, and maybe a couple of either chantilly stems for birds, like an outline of a bird flying in from overhead if there's room. Depends on how much room the shells take up, because I have chose some medium to larger shells to put in here, because I just don't have use for the larger shells usually. I usually have for the smaller shells. So we'll see how it goes. We'll use some smaller of the shells to fill in between the spaces of the big shells. But I really wanted to showcase some of the bigger shells I have. Like I have this shell here. This is a bigger shell. And this is a bigger shell. And this is a bigger shell. And I have a starfish. And then I have this shell. And then of course I have shell on the floor. I have this shell. A couple of them do need a good wiping down. Like this one in particular. Not too many of them need to wipe it down, just a couple of them do. There we go. Matchy shines. And this one here needs a wiping down too. I have this one as well, so I have two of these. I definitely want to use these. So we'll go ahead, pull you down on the desktop, and get started. Now, I'm going to try a different camera angle here and see if this doesn't help the situation. Yeah, that's a little better. Let's see more of the board now. Okay. Okay. Maybe now you can see more of the board. I have to adjust the camera setting a little bit. So we'll see how this goes. Because last time I noticed with the sunflower and bumblebee board you couldn't see the whole board and it wasn't really a great view for you. Maybe this will do better. Okay, we're going to do like a U shape around the board and put the Waste Not Wednesday or Wondrous Wednesday right here in the middle. Maybe up toward the top a little bit more. Going to fill all this in here with shells. So I guess we're just going to randomly start grabbing shells. On some of these bigger, harder shells, or bigger, heavier shells, you want to be generous with your hot glue for sure. Look okay? Okay, we're going to be using these here silver letters, and we're going to be putting a space up here for either Waste Not or Wondrous, and one down here we're going to put Wednesday down in here. Okay, you're going to take out your crocodile. And you're going to go up here to the top. And you're going to put 2 holes. Your larger hole of your crocodile. I'm going to put it in the top here. And you're going to take an eye lid or whatever it's called and put it in the hole. Then you're going to take your crocodile and you're going to take your crocodile with the pin, and you're going to put the pin in the eyelet and squeeze till you hear the click. I don't know why it's not releasing. Oh, because I hit the lock. That's why. You're gonna I'll show you that again. You take your eyelet, you put it in the hole you created. You take your crocodile, and you put the pin, the little pin here, in the eyelet, and you squeeze till you hear the click. And there you set your eye hooks, your eyelets. Now I'm going to get some different kind of string that I used for the other 2 boards, because this is heavy because it has all those shells in it, and I want something more sturdy. So I will be right back with some different string. Okay, I'm back. I just chose some piece of 550 paracord. We're going to fish it through the eyelid, or the eye hook. Yeah. And we're going to tie it off and back. Cut off the extra. There we go. We left room up top to put either Waste Not or Wondrous. So when the poles are done and we've decided what we're going to do, we'll put that on there. But for right now, it's complete. And she is kind of heavy. What do you think? I know it's nice. And that was the tutorial for today, guys. That was the third installment of the agenda boards that we're doing for the weekly topics, discussions, and things. So next up is day 4, and that will be Thursday. And again, we don't know if that's going to be Throwback Thursday or Thank You Thursday. But we will do the board and do the Thursday I Don't Like we did Wednesday until we come across with what the finalization is going to be on the name for. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day. Catch you on the flip side. I work hard to produce the content for you guys that you enjoy on an almost daily occurrence. It's a task that I take seriously and I really enjoy it. I love to bring you guys fresh content that's both fun and entertaining to watch. So if you want to support me and this channel, there's a few things that you can do to help me out. 1, you can subscribe to the channel. It's free and it only takes a second. 2, you can hit the notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or go live. You can share my videos on all other social media sites and outlets like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can click the like button. That really helps out my channel and my videos so that other people on YouTube can see that I have them. You can leave a comment below to let me know how you're doing, if you're enjoying the videos, if you think I'm doing a good job as a content creator. You can give me new ideas for content or improvements that you would like to see on the channel, or just say hello. Your support means so much to me, and I don't take anyone or anything for granted. I love all of you and consider you an extended part of my family. So if you would like to show some support, please do so in the ways that I have just stated. Thanks so much in advance. Y'all take care, and we'll catch you on the flip side.